What does the future hold for aerospace technology, and how is Turkey influencing this horizon? As we journey through the annals of Turkey's aerospace accomplishments, we'll witness how this nation is pushing boundaries and setting new standards in this field. Let's note that KAAN, one of the country's prominent aerospace projects, has gone through several hundred engine starts. Turkish Aerospace is extremely cautious in handling this, ensuring every measure is taken to avoid any mishaps. Their meticulous approach demonstrates their commitment to safety and reliability in this advancing sector. Imagine the year 2024, a significant milestone for Turkey. It marks the completion of the Republic's centennial, 100 years of resilience and innovation, and the dawn of a new era. This year also heralds a significant leap for Turkish aerospace industries, or TI, who are preparing for the maiden flight of their fifth-generation fighter jet, KAAN. TI's journey towards this landmark moment has been meticulous and comprehensive. They've built robust infrastructure for aviation and the space industry, conducted exhaustive tests including wind tunnel, mechanical, lightning and bird strike tests, and have developed different lines of aircraft. Their dedication is evident in their endeavors. The preceding year, 2023, was a fruitful one for TI. The combat aircraft, Hurjet, Attack 2 helicopter and next-generation combat drone Anka 3 all took to the skies for the first time. The anticipation for KAAN's inaugural flight was high, but destiny had other plans. But as they say, all good things take time. As Turkey enters its second century, TI is ready. Their infrastructure for the century is essentially complete, with a formidable human infrastructure of 7,000 engineers and 6,000 technicians, amassing nearly 17,000 employees. Turkey is stepping into the new century with renewed vigor and determination. Their defense industry products have reached delivery and serial production, the threshold is being crossed, and an exciting new era beckons. Turkey, a nation known for its successes during the Ottoman Empire and the Seljuk era, is poised for even greater achievements in this century. TI has already reached significant milestones with indigenous aircraft, such as the twin-engine helicopter Gökbey, the training jets Hurjet and Hurkus, and the heavy attack copter Atak 2. These accomplishments bode well for the success of the KAAN fighter jet. Since the 1960s, TI has distinguished itself in the aviation industry in terms of products, speed and quality, outpacing even the Cold War performance of the US and USSR. A revolution is on the horizon, and revolutions like these are necessary for the new century. Now they've transitioned from a company that sold aircraft parts to one selling defense systems. The years 2024 and beyond look promising. In conclusion, Turkey's aerospace technology journey is a testament to their commitment to innovation and excellence. The upcoming flight of the KAAN jet embodies this spirit and signifies a new chapter in Turkey's aerospace narrative. As we watch this story unfold, one thing is clear: the world will soon marvel at how Turkey achieved what giants like China took decades to accomplish in turbofan engine technology in such a short time. The future of aerospace technology is bright, and Turkey is at the forefront of this revolution.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.